PrimeSolve. I recommend you watch our interview with Tim Hall, but it was done quite a while ago, so I want to do a quick update on how the project's going and some of the things we've tackled with PrimeSolve and where they've got to. PrimeSolve is an innovative financial advice platform that really takes the time and difficulty out of financial advisors issuing statement of advices. Making templated fact finds that can be easily configured and automatically solving due to the use of algorithms and data links, PrimeSolve can issue statement of advices in record time. Since we brought PrimeSolve on as a client many years ago, we've addressed a number of challenges and really moved them forward. I want to give you a bit of a feel for what we've done for PrimeSolve and probably some of the problems that you may come across in your business and potentially we could help you out with. If we go back way when PrimeSolve first approached us, essentially they were in a pretty standard situation we find across a number of clients. Previous development company had really dropped the ball, they weren't developing near any of the speed or really engaging with what they needed to do. Tim Hall at PrimeSolve reached out to us and said, "Can you please help me get this into production?" And of course, we were up for the challenge. This meant the codebase had very limited to no documentation, and we simply had to take the project on and rescue it from where it was. Fast forward to today, and there's been significant movement forward. Some of the end goals we've achieved for PrimeSolve is a fully functional production-ready system that is now in production with pilot clients on. At the same time, we've done a full UI refresh. You can see a significant number of these redesign pages below. We followed the team styling here, and it really gives a really professional and crisp look to the PrimeSolve interface, and it's really needed for people that are engaging to try and build their trust in the financial space. At the same time, when we got the product, it was barely functional with a significant number of bugs. We've been able to fix all those bugs, add significantly more features, and deliver this into production where clients are now paying for using of the service. It's a really key milestone for PrimeSolve. At the same time, there's been two other key things that have happened to PrimeSolve along the way. Firstly, they have been approached by a significantly large company to potentially acquire part or all their services. And while this transaction may not go through, it's essentially a testament to what the product has been built. This other company has been unable to achieve the goals that PrimeSolve has, and it's really a testament to both PrimeSolve and Flying Donkey what we've been able to pull together in such a short period of time. And secondly, PrimeSolve is actively in the market raising funds for their larger client launch. The feedback from both investors and other clients has been significantly positive, and this is really a testament again both to PrimeSolve itself and to Flying Donkey for delivering such a great product. Therefore, the summary here is we were able to take essentially a product that was broken and buggy and dropped by the previous developers, deliver a number of really important features, and take it into a production state where both other companies were interested in both buying PrimeSolve outright or in some license agreement, and clients and investors were willing to put money in to both use the product and potentially invest in the product going forward. PrimeSolve has been a great success. We hope to continue to work with them into the future. We've really been able to help them accelerate their roadmaps and utilize the cloud to the best of their ability. At the same time, keep up with the rigorous compliance standards that is required in the financial space. If you're a platform or a SaaS product that has similar problems to PrimeSolve and are looking to get those problems solved, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to have a chat. Otherwise, have a look below where we go into further details around exactly what we've solved for PrimeSolve and some really key looks at some of the screens we've built and some of the designs we've done that have really taken PrimeSolve to the next level.